Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create or make collapsible headers in Google Docs. They are useful for long documents like reports or research papers or manuals, letting readers collapse a section they don't need right now and expand only the parts they want to focus on without scrolling through everything. So the first thing you obviously need to have is headers in your document. So if you don't have them, you can select the text which you want to make header, and here you want to switch to heading 1 or heading 2 or 3. And then underneath you can see I have just normal text. And now if you want to make this collapsible, what you have to do, we want to switch our page setup to pageless, because if you have pages, it's not going to work. So you have to click on File, Page Setup, and here switch to pageless. Click on OK. And now you're gonna see this small arrow next to your heading, and you can basically collapse it. And now the normal text is hidden, so you can focus maybe on some part of your document only, and you can hide others. And I forgot to mention that if you print or export document as a PDF and you have those headers collapsed like this, it will show everything fully expanded regardless of the collapsed state on the screen. So that's all. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.